This is an update from last video where I put the sound deadening material in there. I only bought 2mm thick sound deadening, so it wasn't that thick. So I put some more in there. I doubled it up in the trunk and stuff. Let's do a cold start. It's cold start, so it's going to be that's the loudest the car is going to be. So you can, it's not that loud in here. So I just got done washing the car and blowing it. I used this to wash foam cannon and the Adams megaphone. Now I normally use the Adams spray detailer. The car's still wet. The blow dryer doesn't get it all clean. So what I'm going to use this Griot Best in Show. I think I find it better than the Adams one. Sorry, it just goes on smoother and wipes off smoother. So it's still a little wet, so I'm going to spray the whole car down. And boom. See if there's any dirt in here. No, not so bad. This car only has 6,000 miles, so it shouldn't be dirty anyways. But you'll see the mats. The mats are the telltale sign. Meguiar's 3-in-1 cleaner, conditioner, and protectant for leather and vinyl. And this car is clean. It's got 6,000 miles, so there's no need for me to do a cleaner with a brush, wipe it, then do a protectant or a conditioner on it. This car is clean enough. If this car is really, really dirty, I would have done it that way, but you can see that there's really nothing. It's pretty damn clean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it on, use a brush to just wipe it off, and it's gonna do everything. It's gonna clean, conditioner, and protect. If your car's really, really dirty, then do it to get a cleaner first, then a conditioner. But for this car with 6,000 miles, it's not needed. So I can do it all in one shot. So I'm gonna simplify the process. So I totally forgot about this. My son and I found this out when we went to Wawa the other day. The 401A cars, you can unlock it and lock it. You just have the key in your pocket by using the handle. I think it's locked right now, but if I pull it, it just unlocked. See the lights flash? And I think if you press this, you can lock it. Yeah, you can lock it too. I didn't even know that. He was showing me that the other day. So this car suffered from the one bolt blues. Like this whole thing right here, it should light up, but it doesn't. This one's not even working. There it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch into a full LED version. So you just take the bulb out of the OEM socket and you plug this in. This is why I have a computer in my garage. So when I'm working on the car and I need something, I can just look it up. So I gotta press this tab from the outside. So there's the tab I need to get to. I gotta put my, and grab that, and it should pop right out forward. And then I just need to put the this in place of the bulb. So let me do that. I'm gonna see if I can do it without jacking the car up. Yeah. So look, it pops right out. So then you just press this, and this should just pop right out. I need 2 hands, hold on. Alright, so I got it out here. So then, oh, I didn't need to take that out. You know what you need? You need the bulb. So, but I want to clean this area because I have OCD and I can't have it like that. So let me clean it real fast. So you pull the bulb out of there, which I did, and then you plug the side marker. But let's test it because I don't know if it's polarity. It's got to be. Oh look, these. Whoa. Okay, these are good to go. So let me put them on. And then I'll get the other side. All right, let's test it. Yeah. Feel the plastic. About that. So now that I got the rear in, the LEDs, there is no fronts for the Mustang. The Mustang has this yellow reflector, which really doesn't do anything. People put like the black, they black that out because they don't want the yellow seen. They actually make like some sort of sticker that goes in there. And then it has this down here, and then the fog light is over here all the way in the front. But the side marker for the Mustang is here, and there's really nothing to change. It already has LEDs in there, so you have your rears, and then that's the front. So I wouldn't want to take that thing apart anyway. It has the projection that shoots the Mustang logo on the ground too. So side markers are done. They're all LED now. No more of the one bulb blues.